Every time you check a weather forecast or wonder if you'll catch the bus on time, you're quietly using probability. It isn't a crystal ball for predicting the future, it's a tool for understanding how likely something is. It's the mathematics of chance, a way to put a number on uncertainty. So let's slow down for a few moments and look at how these fundamental ideas of statistics and probability actually work. Imagine you flip a coin. There are only two possible outcomes, heads or tails. Since the coin isn't weighted, neither side is favored over the other. Each has an equal chance of landing face up, a 1 in 2 chance. Now, picture rolling a standard 6-sided die. Each number, from 1 to 6, has an equal 1 in 6 chance of appearing. Probability is simply this, a fraction. The numerator is the number of outcomes you're hoping for, and the denominator is the total number of all outcomes that are possible. It's a simple but powerful way to measure likelihood. Now, when you have a lot of numbers, say a list of student test scores, it helps to summarize them with just one representative value. One way to do this is with the average, or what statisticians call the mean. You simply add every value together and then divide by how many values there are. Another way is the median. For the median, you line up all the values in order from smallest to largest and find the one that sits exactly in the middle. Both the mean and the median are trying to answer the same gentle question. What does a typical result look like here? But here's where things get interesting. Imagine a quiet street with 9 houses that all cost around $200,000. Now, let's add one enormous mansion at the end of the block that costs $10 million. If you calculate the mean, or average, house price, that one mansion will pull the number up dramatically. The average might suddenly be over $1 million, which doesn't accurately describe the 9 other houses at all. The median, however, would barely move. It would still be around $200,000. This is why statisticians often trust the median more whenever a few extreme values, or outliers, might be hiding the fuller picture. This logic extends far beyond thought experiments. When a weather report says there's a 70% chance of rain, it doesn't mean it will definitely rain. It means that, historically, under atmospheric conditions just like today's, it rained 7 times out of every 10. The same quiet logic sits behind medical treatment odds, insurance pricing, and sports predictions. Doctors can't promise a treatment will work, but they can tell you the success rate based on thousands of previous patients. None of it promises certainty. It simply narrows the guesswork using what's already been observed. Likelihood, averages, and the quiet difference a few outliers can make, that's the heart of statistics and probability. It's not about knowing the future for certain or eliminating chance from our lives. It's about understanding the patterns within that chance a little more clearly. It's about making slightly more informed decisions in a world that will always be, at least in part, beautifully uncertain.